super exciting day. I'm getting my new supercar delivered. It's even got a bow. I'm stoked. This is like the ultimate supercar delivery. Oh, crazy. Here she is! This is my brand new McLaren 720S. Okie dokes. Alright, here she is. Plastic on and everything. This is Alcantara, all kind of this charcoal grey black colour, but I'm going to completely redo that. Alright, this is the moment! One of the things I love most about this car is these doors. Look how sweet they are. Look at this view. Epic, huh? And it is about 45 degrees, 90% humidity. So I'm just drenched right now. Just excuse that. Come around here. I want to show you why I love this car. First of all, I want to put the doors up, both sides. Look at this. If you're going to buy a supercar, you got to get one with the doors going up, don't you? Look at this. How sweet is this? 0 to 100 in under 3 seconds, guys. And look, I've got a special license plate. The one and only 720. Yes, okay, it's not the only one. But what I'm going to do to this car is going to be pretty crazy. I want to talk to you about that. All of those details is in my YouTube video. Go and check that out. I'm talking epic body kit, different color, everything's going to change, the rims, everything. The color is called Polaris Blue and it is a special MSO color from McLaren, same as this bespoke color here for the seat belts, and that color there on the seat belts matches the brake caliper. Come on in, come on in. Take off the wrapping. And here, whatever color I get on the outside, I'm actually going to match the stitching here to the exterior color. All right, jump on in. Okay, this easy, just the stop button. This is pretty cool. Look at this. You put it in track, flip that over, and the screen disappears. So now you've only got a little screen to focus on when you're on the track. All right, over 700 horsepower in this car. Not bad. Oh, can't believe I own this car. This is crazy. It's so freaking quick. Wow. Oh my god, this is definitely gonna have to be driven on the track.